Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Hello YouTube. Right, so day, what are we? Day 3. Yes, day 3. So as you can see, I've just up there. If I let me take my gloves off, because I've been working with some gloves on for better grip. Right, here we go. So up here, you can see I've added a little pulley there, and then I'm going to put it in this little O-ring. It comes all the way through to the bottom. And what we'll do is we are going to use some of these 6mm basically U-bolts to hold it in place on that end, and then it will go up there, and then I've got another pulley for down here. So hopefully, if it works, I can pull on the pulley and it will pull it up. It may need, because of maybe how heavy it is, it may need me to help push it up as well. So, but I'm hoping it will alleviate with the pulley how heavy it might be at the base here when I'm trying to get it, you know, up from a certain angle. So we've just put that in there. So we'll come back in a second when I've done this end and put some wiring in, some rope in. The rope will take 360 kilos. Now I could push this up when it was 2 poles and it stopped here. So I've just got that bit there. I was able to push it up on my own. So I chose the rope, and I'll show you the rope. Some of this, and it will take, it says it will take 360 kilos. Now I'm pretty sure that pulling it shouldn't be 360 kilos. I'm hoping it's not, but this is what I'm hoping. So I'm hoping I'm going to use 2 of them on here to loop it round, and 2 of them crimps on, and hopefully that'll work. I may have to obviously guide it up just for safety. If it works and the system works, then I'll get some stainless steel rope, 6mm stainless steel rope to to do it. You know, just for safety, and just because I don't want it to break. But it says it will take 360 kilos, which is quite heavy. I mean, you're looking at, it's not far. I mean, it's about 100, 360, 460. Yeah, it's just over. It's 140 kilos off of half a ton. So I'm hoping it'll work anyway. So that's what we're going to. So I'll pause the video and then we'll come back and we'll have a little look. So I'll see you in a minute. Right, so we've got it connected in here. What I've done is I've looped it around here. It goes looped around here. These are only for 6mm. But I've squeezed it through, so it wraps around that one and wraps around that one, just to make sure it stays put. It then goes up to the pulley system, and I don't know what I'll do is I'll come over here and so you tug on the pulley system up there. I can't see it from here. There we go. Right, so if I tug on this, I'll just wrap my hand around it like that for the moment, Right, and if I pull down, hold on, I might need some more. There we go. So if I pull down, you'll see it lift. So I pull down, and I'll go behind here. Now, that's quite hard to obviously do it with one hand, but I reckon if I was to get some sort of ratchet system and put it, say, here on some standoffs or something, I would be able to ratchet that up. As it is, well, I'm going to put a pulley system at the bottom down here as well. So hopefully I shall be able to do that. I don't know whether, because we may just put it this side. So that's it at the moment. Now what I'm going to do is put on the transformer. I think we'll put that at the end. I'm hoping that there's enough coax. I've got to put in and put down. So we had the coax last time to maybe about here. I'm hopeful. I don't know whether it's going to reach or not. That we'll have to have a little look at. So I'll come back in a second, and then we'll do some more. Right. So I've run out of daylight. Only due to the fact of after putting in the pulley at the top and putting all the string in that in, the children were bugging me to go to the park, so we ended up going to the park for a little while and then run out of daylight. So I'll most probably carry on tomorrow. Now I need to put a pulley in at the bottom, and I need to think about this because I only have this drill bit is a 14mm, which is too big for one of these, because I want to use these to put it into the wall. They're not too big, and I don't think they're not too small either. And the only thing is, my plugs that I've got for the wall are only, small plugs. They're not that, big. Not sure whether to put some of these in, or to use some bigger stuff. I'm most probably going to take the time tonight to have a little think about it and see what we do. But at the moment it's working out okay. I can pull it up a little bit. I mean, as you see on the video, I was only doing it one-handed. So at the moment, I'm gonna put on the end fed at the top. I think the total height now is going to be about 8 to 9 meters high. I think it is. I'll double check on the next video, just to make sure how high off the ground it is. So I think I'm going to put the end fed transformer at the top, and then we'll go down to the back of the fence, double up that pole to make about 5 odd meters above the ground. It'll go off of that and then maybe come down onto most probably the DX Commander pole, maybe at a bigger height, maybe. Either that, or we'll go from the DX Commander pole. Actually, might go from the DX Commander pole and then off, to make them maybe. I don't know. We'll figure that one out once I've got it, you know, in the air. Ideally, I want to try and get it in the air. Make sure I've got enough coax, because I haven't got too much coax. I've got this little tiny bit here. I'm not sure if I have. I don't think I've got, like, I used to have, I don't know where it's gone, a little, like a lightning arrestor connector block. It was a connector block, and it had a little screw lug at the top to pin it to ground, kind of thing. I'm not sure where that's gone. I mean, as you can see, the shack is an absolute mess at the moment. I've got stuff everywhere, and being a very small shack, I do not have a lot of room to maneuver. So we shall see. And one thing I have forgotten to put on is these. I did forget to put these on. I'm just going to send. I'm not even actually sure if I can undo that. I will have a look. And the other pulley, for the other pulley, oh, let me just get this. Wouldn't you credit it, these, when it that's better, these are too big here to go through the holes to attach it to the wall for the other pulley, which is not good. I mean, if I drilled out the holes for on the pulley, it would be too big for this. It would just snap the metal. So there are a couple of things I've got to think about. I'm not really in any rush at the moment. I think all the contests are finished for the year, I think. I'll have to find out from my contest manager about that. Oh, what are these? They could be... What's that? Is that any good? So we got that. I wonder if I've got another one. I'll have to have a look. So this wraps up day 2. Thought I might as well finish the day 2 video off and upload it, so just so you can get see what's going on, see what I'm doing. So I shall have a look tomorrow. I'm hoping that the coax fits. If it doesn't, then I think I'm just going to have to squeal out for some more coax. Which, if that's the case, then it's just going to have to wait, I think, until after Christmas. And I might as well just get some decent stuff. At the moment, I'm running RG8. This one is actually RG8U. So I could be running a little bit better coax if I get some decent stuff. Maybe it might alleviate some of the noise that I have coming in. If anybody knows if it will or not, in the comment section, let me know. But apart from that, I shall see everyone on the next video on day... What are we? Sorry. What did I say? Day 3? No, day 4. On the next video on day 4. I'm losing my days. So, thank you for that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.